Some of my clients come to me with specific ideas and sometimes even with blueprints and plans of what they want to do, but I would say the majority of them come to me for the design work. We're going to take you through the most unique basement we've ever done in our lives. We've been getting so many requests to revisit this basement, so here it goes. We're starting here in this beautiful, really nice living room of the home. And what we have here is this nice fireplace, which in reality is a secret door. And what do we have here in the secret door but a slide? Let's take a look at the basement, the whole finishing from a different perspective. Oh, there we are, and there's the owner. Building another custom finished basement. This one has a swing, a tiki bar. Can't wait to show you guys when it's all done. A lot of room, but right here we're building 2 sets of bunk beds. Behind me we got these really cool bunk beds that we built here in this basement. It's kind of neat. We had all these columns that were in the way, yet we wanted to do something really cool and creative for the kids to hang out and have sleepovers. So we made this staircase in between these two. We put all individual switches at each bed, so they have their own cell phone charging stations and lights. So this is about as kid friendly as you can get. One of the big things we're getting a lot of attention from these days are these secret doors we have all over the place. Anybody home in there?
Me!
Oh, hello! What I really loved about it was the design, and everyone was unique. Every person had a different wish list, therefore a different finished product.